Creating a Jira dashboard tailored to a specific project allows you to monitor project progress, track key metrics, and visualize data relevant to your team's objectives. Here's how to create a Jira dashboard for a project effectively. Access Dashboard. Log into your Jira and navigate to the Dashboard section. Click on Create Dashboard to begin. Name and describe. Give your dashboard a descriptive title that reflects the project it's associated with. Optionally, add a brief description to provide context for users. Choose dashboard type. Opt for a blank dashboard or select a predefined template that aligns with your project management needs. Templates offer pre-configured layouts for Agile, Scrum, or Service Desk projects. Add gadgets. Gadgets are widgets that display specific data on your dashboard. Click on Add Gadget and select gadgets relevant to your project, such as Sprint Burndown, Issue Statistics, or Agile Wallboard. Configure gadgets. Customize each gadget to display the desired data and metrics. Configure filters, project selections, and other settings to tailor the gadget to your project's requirements. Arrange gadgets. Arrange the gadgets on your dashboard layout by dragging and dropping them into position. Resize gadgets and adjust the layout to optimize visibility and usability. Share dashboard. Once your dashboard is configured, share it with project stakeholders by providing them with access or sharing the dashboard link. Save and view. Save your dashboard configuration and view it to ensure everything looks as expected. You can always edit and refine your dashboard later as needed.